This is St. Mary's Church, Gary's Tours brands. We're doing a 4K, 60 frames per second video of every street in Killarney. Today, we're starting with High Street. We're going to walk up High Street, and I'm going to try not to talk as much as I usually do, but it's hard for me not to talk. This is St. Mary's Church of Ireland, built in 1870 on the site of an earlier church dedicated to St. Mary the Virgin, in Irish Gothic style. We're walking up. There are really about 5 or 6 streets in Killarney. That's why I like Killarney, because of the size. I've been to Cork. It seems too large for me, although no disrespect to the folks who live in Cork. Killarney is just the right size. It's sort of has a small town feel to it. Here's the bank, AIB Bank. Apparently, I've been told there's only 2 banks in Ireland now, Bank of Ireland and AIB Bank. And the Bank of Ireland regulates the AIB Bank, I believe, as well. So now we're walking up. The sun is coming in and out all day long today. And it appears to me this is like a bright, sort of overcast and partly sunny day. The sun may drift in and out during the course of this video, which is fine. But this is High Street, and I want to do all the streets in Killarney, give you the look and feel of what it's like to be walking around in Killarney. Wow. Art School, Killarney Art Gallery. Joy O'Leary Pharmacy. I'm impressed by the names of the stores. All the names of the stores. All the names of the stores seem Irish, which I find really impressive. This is Weavers of Ireland. They go to independent weavers around the country, buy up their inventory, and then sell it, and even market it around the world. Here's the pub food. The Laurels. Let's see what they have. Soup of the day, roast Irish beef, dirty fries, shepherd's pie, potato cake, homemade desserts. Sounds great to me. And here's the Wolves of Ireland. Bulls, Woolen Market.
Yeah, I'd say something to say.
I just love listening to the voice, the Irish accent. Sun's out now. Once again, this is a 4K, 60 frames per second video.
Thanks very much. Thanks. Yeah, they're great kids. Great kids.
It brings out the true color that you'd see with your own eyes. Great way to really experience the feel being here. lots of other people who do the walking type of videos that most of them don't talk. That's where Gary's Tours is different. Gary's Tours likes to talk. If you'd rather I didn't, leave a comment. I can't guarantee it'll stop me from talking. I know a little bit about a lot of things. I like to share it with you. At some point during this time, I'm going to give you some tips on how to rent cars in Ireland and how to avoid having to come up with money and change to pay tolls that most people touring Ireland wouldn't. Turkish barbers. That seems to have gotten very popular. You know, lots of Turkish barbers. Here's Foley's Steak and Seafood. It's one of the best restaurants in Killarney. That's where I'm staying for 5 weeks. I love the place. I stayed here 2 weeks last October, and that'll be October of 23. I'm staying here 5 weeks now. This is my basic operations for videoing in Ireland. It may be just County Kerry, but I'm also leaving from here and going to Venice, Italy, using this as a base. Great stores here. Here's another restaurant and what they offer and their prices. Main courses. $23. Most main courses are $32, $26. So main courses apparently are. There's additional main courses. They're in the range of $22 to $37. Not bad. In many ways, I feel that Ireland is, in terms of food, is cheaper in this part of Ireland, in Killarney, than New York City, for sure. Now we've lost the sun again. And we've walked this street almost to its conclusion. This is a tire center. And there's my dry cleaner, and my wash and fold facility is across the street there, where it says True Care Dry Cleaning. So this concludes our video of High Street.